Good morning students. From the previous class discussed about the topic is called Unit 7 Plant Kingdom. The plant kingdom is classified as 5 classes. Class 1 Thallophyta, Class 2 Bryophyta, Class 3 Pteridophyta, Class 4 Gymnosperm, Class 5 Angiosperm. Let's now discuss about the class 1 is called algae. It is otherwise known as Thallophyta. Algae are chlorophyll bearing primitive plants. Algae is autotrophs. What is mean by autotrophs? Auto means self, trophs means nutrition. The self preparation of the nutrition is called autotrophs. Algae is thallophytic plants because the plant body is look like a thallus-like structure. What is mean by thallus? The thallus means the body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves is called thallus. It is one of the book pack 2 more question. Algae are aquatic form of life. So most of the algae are all algae live in aquatic form of life. Algae float on surface of water. They are called phytoplanktons. Phyto means plants, planktons means unicellular plants. So the phytoplankton it is otherwise known as unicellular plants அப்படினு மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். Next symbionts. The algae living with fungi is called lichens. The lichens are mutually benefited. Next epiphytes. The algae growing on other plants is called epiphytes. The next topic is forms of algae. First, unicellular. The unicellular algae are motile. Example, Chlamydomonas. The Chlamydomonas is motile algae because presence of the flagella. Second one, non-motile. One of the best example for non-motile algae, Chlorella. The chlorella is non-motile, அதாவது it cannot move from one place to another place because absence of flagella. Third one, multicellular unbranched algae. The multicellular unbranched algae, one of the best example, Spirochaera. Fourth one, branched algae. Example, Cladophora. Fifth one, giant algae. Example, Macrocystis. The giant algae it is otherwise known as giant gelf அப்படினு மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். This is look like a large tree like structureல visible ஆகக்கூடிய algae is called giant gelf அப்படினு மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். Next, colonial forms. The unicellular algae to live in group they are called colonial forms. Example, Volvox. Next, well developed sex organ is present in the Chara. The Chara is one of the algae look like a plant like structure. The next topic is reproduction in algae. The reproduction is classified in mainly 3 types. The first type, vegetative reproduction. Second type, asexual reproduction. Third type, sexual reproduction. Okay, the first type of reproduction is vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction is take place by fragmentation. Example, Spirochaera. Asexual reproduction take place by spore formation. Example, Chlamydomonas. Sexual reproduction take place by fusion of gametes. Example, Spirochaera chara. Sexual reproduction take place by fusion of gametes. The fusion of gametes is classified as 3 types. The first type is called isogamy. Second type is called anisogamy. Third type is called oogamy. This is the 3 types of fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction it involving 2 parent, male and female. Asexual reproduction it involving 1 parent, not for male and female. Vegetative reproduction is take place by single parent. அதாவது vegetative reproduction is take place by the vegetative organ like leaf, stem and root. இதன் மூலமாக நடக்கக்கூடிய reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. The next topic is classification of algae. The algae is classified as different class based on the types of pigments and reserve food material. So இதெல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணி algae is classified into different classes. The first column is serial number, second class, third types of pigments, fourth reserve food material. The fifth column is examples. 1. Blue green algae. It is otherwise known as cyanophyceae. Types of pigments, phycocyanin. The phycocyanin pigment is present in the blue green algae. The reserve food material, cyanophycean starch, is present in the blue green algae. It is the storage food material. One of the best example for blue green algae, Acylatoria. Class 2, green algae. It is otherwise called Chlorophyceae. Chloro means green color. So this is Chlorophyceae. Pigments, chlorophyll. Reserve food material, starch. Starch is the storage food material for Chlorophyceae. Example, Chlamydomonas. Third class, brown algae. It is otherwise called Phaeophyceae. The pigment fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin pigment is present in the brown algae. The storage food material are laminarian starch and mannitol. One of the best example for brown algae, Laminaria. Fourth class, red algae. It is otherwise called Rhodophyceae. The pigments present in the Rhodophyceae, phycoerythrin. It is a red color pigment. The storage food material, Floridian starch. Example for the red algae, Polysiphonia or Polysiphonia. Economic importance of algae. The algae is used for the different type of benefits. The first one is food. The algae is used for the food. Alva, spirulina, chlorella is consumed by humans. Next, Laminaria, Ascophyllum consumed by domestic animals. The algae is consumed by domestic animal. They are called fodder அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். Next, SCP, single cell protein. Example, spirulina and chlorella. The algae is used for the single cell protein. It is used to produce protein content. The single cell protein is rich in high protein. Next, third economic importance, agriculture. The blue-green algae is used for the agriculture to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Example, nostoc and anabaena. Fix the atmospheric nitrogen to increasing the soil fertility. Another economic importance, agar-agar. Agar-agar, it is one of the powder-like form. It is obtained from the two type of algae, Gelidium and Gracilaria. It is used as growth medium in different type of laboratory. Next, algae is used for the preparation of iodine. The brown algae like Laminaria is used for the preparation of the iodine. Next, algae is used for space travel. Chlorella pyrenoidosa is one of the unicellular algae. It is used for the space travel, get rid of carbon dioxide and decompose human waste. Okay, the next topic is fungi. The fungi belonging to Thallophyta. The Thallophyta means the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The entire plant body look like a thallus-like structure. This is called Thallophyta. Plant body made up of numerous thin filamentous-like structure is called hyphae. The hyphae arranged in network-like structure is called mycelium. The hypha has cross wall, so they are called septate mycelium or septate hypha அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். The hyphae is no cross wall, absence of the septa, they are called aseptate hypha or aseptate mycelium அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். Aseptate mycelium contain many nuclei, so they are called cenocytic mycelium. Cell wall is made up of chitin. It is one more question. Interior, the fungi cell wall is made up of chitin. Reserved food material is glycogen and oil. No chlorophyll pigment, no starch. So the fungi is called heterotrophs. It cannot preparing the own food material, so it depend upon others. So the fungi is considered as the heterotrophs. Some of the example for the fungi, unicellular fungi, example yeast. Next, multicellular fungi, example mushroom. Fungi maintain the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Hetero means different, trophic means nutrition. So different mode of nutrition maintain the fungi. This is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is classified into two types. The first one is parasitic nutrition. The fungi absorb food material from other living organism is called parasitic nutrition. So the fungi developing the special root is called Hastoria. The Hastoria enter into the host body. It absorb the mineral salt, water and nutrition. Example, Cercospora personata is example for parasitic fungi. The Cercospora personata cause Ticca disease in groundnut. You see the picture of the groundnut plant. The leaf is affected by dark circle. It is caused by Cercospora personata, the parasitic fungi. The final result is the yield will be reduced. The second type of nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. The fungi obtain energy from dead and decaying organic matter. This is called saprophytic nutrition. Example, Rhizobus. You see the picture of the Rhizobus. The bread, ஒரு ப்ரெட்டை நீ ஓப்பன் ஸ்பேஸில் அப்படியே ஒரு 2 days 3 days அப்படியே வச்சுருந்த அப்படின்னா அந்த ப்ரெட்டில் க்ரோ ஆகக்கூடிய ஆர்கானிசம் இஸ் கால்ட் Rhizobus. It is one of the saprophytic fungi. The third mode of nutrition is called symbionts, அதாவது symbiotic nutrition. Algae and fungi live together. This is called symbionts. The organism is called lichens. The fungi and higher plants live together in mutual relationship. They are called mycorrhiza. Lichens is nothing but the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi is called lichens. Mycorrhiza அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது the symbiotic relationship between fungi mycelium and roots of higher plant is called mycorrhiza. This is called symbiotic relationship. The next topic is classification of fungi. The classification of fungi. The fungi is classified into different type of class. Fungi classification is proposed by different type of scientists, but one of the classification is best for and all the scientists is accepted one. The classification is first proposed by W. Martin 1961. The fungi is classified into mainly 2 types. The first one is myxomycetes. The second one is eumycetes. The eumycetes is furtherly classified into 4 classes. Class 1 Phycomycetes, Class 2 Ascomycetes, Class 3 Basidiomycetes, Class 4 Deuteromycetes. Phycomycetes one of the primitive form of fungi, and Phycomycetes lande Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is just advanced group of fungi. Compare the Phycomycetes. Next, Basidiomycetes is very advanced form of fungi. Compare the Ascomycetes. And Basidiomycetes lande develop on one of the fungi is called Deuteromycetes. It is a very advanced fungi அப்படினு மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். The next topic is economic importance of fungi. Fungi is used for different type of economic activities. The first one is antibiotic. The antibiotic is prepared by some of the fungi. The first antibiotic is penicillin. Second one neomycin. Third one gentamicin. Fourth one erythromycin. These are called different type of antibiotics is obtained from the different type of fungi. Penicillin is one of the antibiotic. It is obtained from the fungi Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. This is called queen of drugs அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம். Second economic importance, fungi is used for food. Example, mushroom, agaricus, edible, rich in protein. So the mushroom is used for the food. Third economic importance, vitamins. The fungi is used for vitamins. Examples, Aspia cospi. Second, Erythrothecium aspi produce vitamin B2 riboflavin. Next, alcohol. Invertase, the fungi producing invertase and zymase enzymes, they are help in fermentation. The sugar solution is converted into ethanol. This is called fermentation. It involving two enzymes. First enzyme is called invertase. Second enzyme is called zymase. Next, diseases caused by fungi in plants. The first column is pathogen. The second column is name of the disease. First fungi, Fusarium oxysporum, is caused the disease is wilt disease of cotton. The second pathogen, Cercospora personata, causes டிக்கா டிசீஸ் ஆஃப் கிரவுண்ட்நட், அதாவது கிரவுண்ட்நட் பிளான்ட்டில் டிக்கா டிசீஸை காஸ் பண்ணுது. தேர்ட் பேத்தோஜன் கொலிடோட்ரைக்கம் ஃபால்கேட்டம் காசஸ் ரெட் ராட் ஆஃப் சுகர் கேன். அண்ட் சுகர் கேன் நம்ம சாப்பிடும்போது பார்த்துருப்போம், சுகர் கேனுக்கு நடுவில் இன்சைடில் ரெட் ரெட்டாக வந்து ரெட் ஸ்பாட்டில் இருக்கும். So this is responsible for the Colidiotrichum falcatum fungi. Fourth one, Pyricularia oryzae, is caused by blast disease of paddy. Paddy plant affect பண்ணி yield டோட்டலாக வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம், ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். ஃபிஃப்த்து, Albuco candida, it is caused by Albuco candida, one of the fungi affected by white rust of radish. அதாவது ரேடிஷ் முள்ளங்கி பிளான்ட்டை அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணி ஈல்டை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா லாஸ் பண்ணுது. திஸ் இஸ் கால்டு டிசீஸ் காஸ்டு பை ஃபங்கை இன் பிளான்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, disease caused by fungi in plants. The first disease, wilt disease of cotton. The cotton plant is suffered by chlorosis. The green color leaf is changed into yellow color, so the photosynthesis process is stopped and yield is reduced. The second disease, red rot of sugarcane. The third one, blast disease of paddy. Fourth, white rust of radish. Disease caused by fungi in human. The first disease, first column name of the fungi, second column name of the disease. 1. Trichophyton species. The Trichophyton fungi is caused by ringworm in human being. The ringworm is nothing but circular rashes on the skin and circular patches. In Tamil படர்தாமரை அப்படின்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். செகண்ட் ஒன், மைக்ரோஸ்போரம் species is caused by dandruff in human being. Next, third one, Tinea pedis is caused by athlete's foot. Okay, the next topic is difference between algae and fungi. First algae, second column fungi. The first differentiate. Algae are autotrophs. Auto means self, tropes means nutrition. It prepare the own food material by using various raw material like sunlight, water, chlorophyll and CO2. This is called photosynthesis. So the algae are autotrophs. Fungi are heterotrophs. It cannot prepare the own food material. It depends upon other organism. So the fungi are heterotrophs. Second, it has pigment. The algae contain different type of pigments: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, carotenoid, phycophilin, etc. etc. The fungi has no pigments. Absence of the pigment, so it cannot prepare the own food material, so does not involving for the photosynthesis process. Third differentiate. The algae reserve food material is starch. Fungi, the reserve food material are glycogen and oil. Fourth one, some of the algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, Cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Anabaena. Fungi, all fungi are eukaryotic in nature. Example, Agaricus. Prokaryote means pro means before, karyon means nucleus, before nucleus, undeveloped nuclear membrane, undeveloped membrane bound cell organelle. This is called prokaryote. Eukaryote means U means true, karyon means nucleus, so the true nucleus is present. This is called eukaryote.